In this video, I'm going to briefly discuss the Annotated Bibliography assignment. The Annotated Bibliography assignment is the second part of the Essay 3 with Annotated Bibliography assignment. First, you will compose the 5-page researched Toolman method essay, and then you will provide your annotated bibliography at the end of that document. An annotated bibliography is a list of citations followed by a brief summary, evaluation, and discussion of use for each source. The annotated bibliography takes the place of the works cited page. By definition, an annotation means to make note or to make note of. So as we discuss the examples, what you might notice is that you're allowed to change the perspective and you're going to be presenting more direct information in the annotations. For each annotation, you will complete the following. List each source as a separate completed bibliographic entry. Summarize each source in 2 to 3 sentences. Tell the reader what the source is about. Evaluate each source in 2 to 3 sentences. Tell the reader why the source is credible or reputable. And discuss your use of each source in 2 to 3 sentences. This could mean you explain how you chose the source, why you chose the source, or how you use the source in your essay. There are 2 examples that we will review in Blackboard. The first example is a student essay. This essay follows the assignment. Like many of the sample essays that you see in classes, this student chose to go above and beyond the assignment. So make sure that you refer to your assignment document for the requirements and don't be intimidated by the page numbers in this document. After you read through the essay, you will scroll down to see the annotated bibliography. What you will note here is that the annotated bibliography takes place of the works cited page. You can see the completed bibliographic entries for each source in the second part of this document. You can also read through many quality examples of annotations. In this annotation, you will find a summary of the source. Notice key language such as this article discusses, it also talks about, and so on. You will also see an evaluation of the source itself. This evaluation discusses the author and their credentials and the publication date range for the author itself. It considers the currency of the information. Lastly, you can read the discussion of use. This discussion of use focuses on how the student decided to incorporate the source in the essay. As you scroll through this document, you can see several different quality examples of annotations. The second sample that you can review is an instructional document. It is listed as Sample Annotated Bibliography in your Blackboard course. This document, first you'll note that it is color-coded. You do not have to color-code your annotated bibliography. The goal of this document is, again, to teach you or to instruct you how to format and to write your annotated bibliography. You will also see that it is annotated itself, meaning there are notes throughout. You'll notice at the top of this document there are notes on MLA format, and each section of the annotated bibliography is labeled. For the first annotation, we can see that the summary, evaluation, and discussion of use are all included in the exact same order as with the previous example and as your assignment requires. The annotation follows the completed bibliographic entry, and we can see a second example on the second page. At the end of this document, there is a checklist, one that could be really helpful to use when you are completing this annotated bibliography. If you have any questions about the annotated bibliography assignment after reading through your assignment document, watching this video, and reading both the sample essay and the sample annotated bibliography, completing all tasks for this week, please let me know.